Today, October 19, Thursday market, gap down opening. Previous day, sell call momentum followed up to today also. Today, this Thursday market up to 11.25. After 11.25, a new call generated, buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this, whenever market trend changes, you will receive calls automatically. So it's a automatic buy sell call generator. And the calls also like a signal. So automatic signal like a call generator. Now a buy call generated, so green color candle has been open. Buy call came at buy at 43,884. That is our entry point line. That straight white line from green color candle, our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So daily in live market, you will get these calls. How you are watching the video right now? You are watching the videos now right now the YouTube videos. Like that, you are going to watch this chart, get the call, and you can place the orders in your broker account. Manual trading, auto trading, both are possible for this chart. Today first target is 43,994, 110 point first target. Let's wait and see. In 2 minutes of trading, in just a 2 candle, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this today call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.